Yeah, hear me? A Lagabenz.
Today I am making red snapper fish and vegetable in the oven. See step by step instruction and information how to make red snapper fish in the oven. Very quick and easy. Take a look. To make my red snapper in the oven, first I will head over to the fish market to get a couple pound of red snapper, which I will make the scale and clean my fish up, so when I come home to cook, I have no work to do with these fish. That's best thing to do. Next, I will head over to the supermarket or wherever I can get pumpkin okras on this. So this is pumpkin. So this pumpkin is different from the American pumpkin. This is pumpkin from the Caribbean, Jamaica, or wherever you get pumpkin like this. This is okra. I'll be using a couple okras in my fish and vegetable. This is scallion. I'll be using scallions. This is Grace fish seasoning. You can use all-purpose seasoning. If you don't get fish seasoning, you can use whatever brand of your choice. This is Grace butter bean. You can use broad bean as well, or you can use any brand of your choice. So just get your ingredients and head home to make your. Before we get started, do remember to subscribe. Highly appreciate it. Encourage me to do more videos like this. So I will use my paper towel to dry my fish to get rid of the excess water or moisture from the fish. That's the first thing you will do. Get them dry. Easy to work with because you gotta add the dry rub and all these things, so you want to get as much water you can get from it. Then put aside. So this is my pumpkin. So I will cut this pumpkin, peel some of the skin from it. You can peel all the skin of it. You cannot, if you wish to use it with the skin, good to go same way. It's optional. Cut this pumpkin in whatever shape or style work best for you. These are my okras. I'll be using a couple of these okra. So I will cut the unwanted pieces from my okra. Some people use the okra in one whole. Some people cut it in two. It's optional. This is my sweet pepper, my red pepper. Cut it in whatever shape or style. This is my hot pepper. If you don't use hot pepper, leave it alone. You don't have to use it. These are my scallions. Just cut them in reasonable size. Remember, you're making red snapper and vegetable. So this is my vegetable and my seasoning. This is the butter bean. So I will open the bean. Get rid of the liquid or whatever come with the bean. It doesn't need the bean. I don't need the liquid, so I will drain the liquid from the bean. I only need the bean. I will put this bean in a container and put aside. So I'm prepping everything, preparing everything. I will be cooking the fish in the foil paper. So I'm having everything preset, everything, and have them ready. Very simple and easy, nothing hard, nothing to worry about. Just do what you can do, man. Put aside. So this is my Grace fish seasoning. So this is my dry rub. So I'm putting some inside, and I will put some outside and both sides as well. All of this is just adding flavor to your fish. When it is done, it is so tasty and nice. And it's a vegetable and and seasoning that make it nutritious. Very healthy meal. Now I will be using my foil paper. If this video is interesting or educational, please leave a like, subscribe, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. I'm using butter here. You can use any butter of your choice. So I'm putting the butter on the foil paper. You can put the butter on the fish. You can put the butter inside the fish. Wherever works best for you, you do it. So you don't have to put it on the foil paper. You can put it inside the fish. You can put it outside on the fish. So this is my pumpkin. So I'm putting my pumpkin inside. Putting okra as well. Everything cannot hold inside the fish, so you put whatever can hold inside, and the rest of it around it. So you see I have my okra, my pepper, my scallion. Now I'm adding my butter bean. This foil paper is not the right width. It's a bit narrow, so I will have to make 2 wraps. I'm just adding a little salt. So if you don't use salt, leave it alone. Yeah, so this foil paper is a little too narrow. So if I did have the right foil paper, I would just make 1 wrap. So I have to make 2 wraps here. But I'm just working what I have, you know. So if you get the right size, what is happening here? I guess the fish didn't expect these size fish. So that's what, if the fish were smaller, it would work. But nothing wrong. Work with what you have. So this is just like a double. If you have the right size paper, you don't have to do this. It's just 1 go and that's it. So that's the reason for just wrapping it 2 times. Otherwise, I don't need to wrap it 2 times. So just remember that. Then you will set your oven. You can preheat your oven ahead of time at 350 degrees. And this fish will cook for 1 hour. So preheat the oven, 350 degrees. Add fish to oven, leave for 1 hour. Upon the hour, you can take out 1 fish and check it if it is cooked to your suit. But it's not easy. Now that our fish is come to a cook, you can share this fish in a plate by just simply open it and slide it off in a plate. This fish can also, you can also have it in the foil, whatever works best for you, it's optional. See, just open it, slide it off in a plate, that's it. This you can just have it in the file like this. You don't have to take it to the file. It all depends on the situation or how you deal with things. So this is the file. See the vegetables well cooked. Fish properly cooked as well. So this fish in the oven is very easy. Just get a couple pounds of fish. Put some vegetable and some seasoning with it. Put it in the oven to cook. It's that easy. Enjoy this fish with family and friends. What is wrong? Nothing is wrong. Thank you all for watching. Until then, see you guys in my next video. Peace.